Hey, hello everyone. I start this video in the closet where I have a lot of my diecast. I'm going to pick a box and we're going to see what's inside. Oh, still have to do a review about the B-52 Strato Fortress from Gorgie. It's a beautiful plane, got it for cheap, lucky me. SR-71 Blackbird from Central Rings. There's also coming a review of that one. And look what we got here. Gemini, the Doomsday plane. Still have to do a review about that one as well. And did you know I did a review about the Mars lander in a 1/18 scale? That's pretty special. Yeah, we're going to take this box out and see what's inside. I should make a list on an Excel sheet of what I have. But I kind of like it, you know, going through the closet, pick a box and see what's inside. Okay, I see a lot of Maisto and kind of like that brand. Oh yeah, this was the first BMW they released. It's not the first one, but the first one in this style. Not a big fan of this Pimp My Ride hauler, but I do like the BMW, and it comes with a license plate. How cool is that? And there is a new one, so maybe we can do a review about that one, and we have a look at this one as well. Yeah, I think I did a review about these trucks. These are actually pretty good, come for cheap. The Bree Datsun had to wait for this one for a long time. Love these ones. And this truck, you can stretch this truck. You can pull right here and then it gets longer. Top Gun from Matchbox. Top Gun set. Yeah, I really love this set. Very cool. They're not high-end models, but still pretty cool. Then from Jada, just trucks. I love these. They should bring them back. Especially the weathered models were very good. I got these for a reasonable price. You can still find them on eBay. They're not super hard to get, for now at least. Yeah, I did a review about these ones. These are actually pretty good diecast cars. Very complete. I even believe they got rubber tires. Got another one right here. I think this is the first one I bought. Only the tow bar is so ugly, but the model is very, very good. And even the trailer is also cool. Mostly made out of plastic. And that's also the reason I got a bunch of them. Yeah, this one is also very cool. The Cobra. Oh, here we got the other BMW. Don't like the Mercedes-Benz. And a combination with Mercedes-Benz and BMW, meh, I don't know. And this looks way too much Pimp My Ride. So yes, I bought it for the BMW. I'm going to place it here so we can have a look at that one as well. Hey, there is another one. Oh yes, of course. This is a good one. This is definitely a must-have in my opinion. Volkswagen Beetle and the Samba. The Samba is really good. Tow bar is not too bad either. Yeah, very cool. I have to take a picture with this one. I like this one. What do we got here? Oh yeah, custom made. Paid a lot of money for it. Yeah, this is the original one. So they made it out of this one and replaced the Mercedes with the Time Machine. Actually pretty good. Well done. Not bad at all. But you pay a ridiculous amount of money for it. With a custom card. So not bad at all. But a lot of money. Then I got this one. World Tour Nissan GTR from Burago. These are actually pretty good 164 models. And here we got the Lambo. And this one is also very good with some spare parts. But this is not a 164, I believe. But it is Jada. I think I got it from a friend from England who is no more, unfortunately. Saul. Yes, I do remember you, Saul. And I liked your videos. So sad you're not here anymore. Yes, we're going to take these ones to the table. And then I've got a new model, a new BMW. So there it is. We're going to switch to white mode. So here it is. So first we're going to take a look at this one, the new version. Yeah, this is a little bit too much Bimmer, right? But I kind of like them. But I'm going for the BMW. Let's take a knife. Careful. Kids, don't try this at home. And if you're a kid, this is an adult channel, so ask your dad and mom permission to watch these videos. Let's see how we can take this out. Okay, let's have a look at the BMW first, because that's the reason I bought it. I haven't seen it in store yet. And to be honest, I haven't seen the other BMWs from... whoa, what is this? BMWs in the store. Haven't found any of them. Not in France, not in Germany. Only online. Why no license plate? You did a license plate on the first one. And this one, no license plate. I don't like that. With a license plate, a Diecast car gets so much better. Yeah, nice interior. It's not bad at all. I really like it. And I'm going to give it a American license plate. There's not enough room for a European license plate, so it's definitely going to be an American license plate. Okay, then the truck. Let's have a look at the interior first, because the interior is pretty good. Well, this one is different. And what about this window? Looks a little bit cheap in my opinion. Premium Ento. I like the double wheels though. Is it double? Well, it has to look double, but I like the wheels in the back. That's not bad at all, but too much Bitmarite. This is working very well, you can see. Yep. So it's very functional. Painted front lights, or it's a sticker, I believe. Yeah. I think these brands do a lot to reduce the price, to keep the price low so we can buy it for cheap. But to be honest, I'd rather pay some more for some better quality. Yeah, the interior is also crap. Whoa. That is not how it used to be. I'll show the other tow truck to you, and then you can see the difference. this one is a much better interior. I was expecting the same interior. Yeah, let's open it up. This one is already open because I already did a review, so. But I'm always saying it's good to refresh your memory. So let's take this one out. Here we go. So look at this one. So much better with a license plate. And they did it with this one, so now why not with the other one? Hey, but I do see something different. This one has windows in the side and this one not. So maybe they had to choose between windows on the side and a license plate. To be honest, I choose for a license plate. I don't bother that there is no window in the side. Cool wheels also, cool livery, tempo, whatever. Like the lights in the front. This one is really cool. For a Maisto, really cool. And then the flatbed. Yeah, pimp my ride. But look at the interior. This is, first of all, window. Much better. And I know this is a different model. And maybe you think different about the window, but I think this one looks weird, cheap. Oh, we made the window too big. Put it on anyway. Or else it's going to cost too much. But look at this interior. It got a nice chrome interior. Chrome steering wheel. There is some display here in the front for the information. I don't know, but that was difficult to see, but it looks much more complete than this one. This is ugly. A stomp steering wheel. Okay, the seats are okay, but I don't know. I don't know. Use the same wheel, plastic base with some details. Oh. Okay, now I'm going to show you the other one. And it's right here. Oh. So already did a review about this. So I'm going to show you only the BMW. We can also have a quick look at the Mercedes. Too much pimp my ride. So here they did tow your tires on the license plate. That's better than nothing, in my opinion. And also same, no windows on the side. But this one has also cool looking rims. Yeah, tow your tires here in the window. This one looks a little bit cheap, in my opinion, if you compare it with the other ones. Hallelujah! It's a Mercedes. Wake up, dude. My God. It's a Mercedes Benz. It's not a BMW. You stupid idiot. What? But that's even better for me. 190E. Okay, that's makes it a little bit different. Okay. Yeah. So I can't compare the Mercedes with the BMW, but I think this one should be here, and this one should be here. This is a much better combination, right? Mercedes with Mercedes. Absolutely. Okay, we're also going to have a look at this. First of all, that tow bar. What the heck were they thinking? So a couple of people are sitting around a table Then this model comes up and nobody is saying, hey, this can't do it. We should not do this. This is so ugly. Yep, it passed the drawing table. It passed the people that make the decision at the end. And they say, okay, it's good. Why not? And those wheels, it is also looking very, very, very... those wheels. Just put some normal wheels underneath it. For me, this is just like somebody at the design table doesn't like diecast. He do this to make money, but he doesn't care about how the model is looking. He just thinks, what is cool? Oh yeah, back in the days I watched Pin My Ride. Those cars were so cool. We have to do something with Pimp My Ride. Seriously? And then this? Anyways. Let me know what you think about this Mercedes-Benz. And what do you think about these BMWs? I think they're pretty cool. Maisto did a pretty good job. And they should make more of these BMWs. With a license plate. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and I will see you soon. Bye.